Oxo acids of group 15 elements. Here it is given NaH2PO4, Na2HPO4, NaH2PO3 are acidic salts, and NaH2PO2 and Na2HPO3 are normal salts. How to identify whether the given salt is acidic salt or normal salt? I'll explain now how to identify that. For example, if you take the orthophosphoric acid H3PO4, the structure of the orthophosphoric acid is P double bond O, and it is having 3 OH groups, and it is having the 3 acidic hydrogens. These 3 are the acidic hydrogens, can be replaced. So basicity of the orthophosphoric acid is 3. That means basicity of orthophosphoric acid is 3 means it can form the 3 types of salts when it reacts with any base. For example, when it reacts with NaOH, it will form the 3 types of salts. What are those 3 types of salts? NaH2PO4, Na2HPO4 and Na3PO4. It is forming 3 types of salts. So in these 3, which are acidic and which are normal salts, to identify, first NaH2PO4, if you take here, if you draw the structure of this, first hydrogen is replaced by sodium in a H3PO4, so ONA it is, remaining 2 OH groups, means still this salt is having 2 acidic hydrogens, so it is acidic salt. Due to the presence of acidic hydrogens, this salt is considered as a acidic salt. Next, Na2HPO4, P double bond O, ONA, ONA, and then OH. Still this salt is having 1 acidic hydrogen, so this salt also can be considered as a acidic salt. But Na3PO4, if you take, all the 3 acidic hydrogens are replaced by sodium, so there is no acidic hydrogen here, so this salt is normal salt. So if the salt is having the acidic hydrogen, then it is considered as a acidic salt. If the salt is not having acidic hydrogen, then it is considered as a normal salt. We'll take one more example. For example, H3PO3, if you take H3PO3, structure of the H3PO3 is, it is having 2 OH groups and 1 P double bond O and 1 pH bond. Here these 2 are the acidic hydrogens, that means basicity of the H3PO3 is 2. That means it will form the 2 types of salts. One is NaH2PO3, another one is Na2HPO3. So if we see the structure of NaH2PO3, it is ONA, because one of the acidic hydrogen from H3PO3 is replaced by sodium, and still it is having 1 OH group and H. Here OH group is there, that means it is acidic hydrogen. So due to the presence of the acidic hydrogen, this salt is considered as acidic salt. And in Na2HPO3, the 2 acidic hydrogens of the H3PO3 are replaced by sodium. There is no acidic hydrogen. This is not acidic hydrogen. It cannot be replaced. This pH hydrogen cannot be replaced. Only OH hydrogen can be replaced. Those are considered as acidic hydrogens. This hydrogen cannot be replaced, so it is not acidic hydrogen. So this is normal salt. So like this, we can identify whether the given salt is acidic salt or normal salt. Acidic salts means which contains a acidic hydrogen, that salt is considered as acidic salt, and which can react with the base further. Such type of salts are called as acidic salts. If there is no acidic hydrogen, then such salts are considered as a normal salts. So like this, we can identify whether the given salt is acidic salt or normal salt.